Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off vibration in chase.com. First of all, open the chase.com application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access various settings options over here. Tap on the option board. In order to turn off the vibration, you'll have to turn off haptic feedback. At second, you'll be able to find this option for haptic feedback. Toggle off the button right next to it. Now once the haptic feedback has been turned off, the vibration will be turned off. So that is how you turn off vibration on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.